Ever had that heart-stopping moment? You reach for your wallet, ready to tap for your morning coffee, and your Monzo card is gone. Or maybe you're scrolling through your banking app and a suspicious transaction pops up. What's your immediate reaction? Panic? Dread? Well, what if I told you there's a quick, easy, and incredibly effective way to prevent financial disaster in those very scenarios? A simple solution built right into your Monzo app that gives you ultimate control over your money, instantly. Today, we're diving deep into two of Monzo's most powerful, yet often underutilized, features, freezing and unfreezing your card. These aren't just emergency buttons, they're integral tools for smart, secure financial management. Whether you've misplaced your card, you're worried about fraud, or you simply want an extra layer of security, knowing how to master these features is an absolute game changer. We'll walk through exactly what freezing and unfreezing entail, why you'd want to use them, and crucially, how to do it in just a few taps. So, let's banish those financial anxieties and empower you with the knowledge to safeguard your Monzo account. Understanding the freeze, what happens when you hit that button? Imagine pressing a pause button on your physical Monzo card. That's essentially what freezing does. When you freeze your card, all outbound transactions from that specific card are immediately blocked. This means no one can use it for in-store purchases, online payments, ATM withdrawals, or even contactless payments. It's like putting your card into a digital deep sleep. But here's the crucial distinction: freezing your card doesn't freeze your Monzo account itself. Your account remains fully active. You can still receive payments, make bank transfers via the app, set up direct debits, and manage your pots. It's solely the physical card, and its linked digital versions like Apple Pay or Google Pay, that becomes temporarily unusable for spending. This is incredibly important to understand because it means you still have full access to your funds and can manage your finances even if your card is out of commission. Why is this important? Think about it. If you lose your wallet, freezing your card immediately prevents any unauthorized spending. If you see a suspicious transaction, freezing the card stops any further fraudulent activity while you investigate. It's a rapid response mechanism that puts you in control, giving you precious time to assess the situation without the added stress of ongoing financial exposure. The power of the freeze, when and why you should use it. So, when exactly should you be reaching for that freeze button? Let's break down the most common and critical scenarios. Lost or misplaced card, this is arguably the most common reason. You've checked your pockets, your bag, under the sofa, your Monzo card is nowhere to be found. Instead of panicking and thinking the worst, immediately open your Monzo app and freeze your card. This takes mere seconds and completely eliminates the risk of someone else finding and using your card. You can then continue your search with peace of mind. If you find it, great. If not, you've bought yourself time to order a replacement. Suspected fraudulent activity, you're reviewing your transactions and something looks off. A small, unfamiliar payment from a company you don't recognize. Or perhaps a larger, clearly unauthorized transaction. Your first step, before even contacting Monzo support, should be to freeze your card. This stops any further fraudulent transactions dead in their tracks, preventing a small issue from spiraling into a major financial headache. Once frozen, you can then investigate the transaction, initiate a dispute if necessary, and potentially order a new card. Temporary security measure, e.g., traveling. This is a lesser known but incredibly smart use of the freeze feature. Imagine you're traveling and going out for the evening to a busy tourist spot. You're only planning to use cash or perhaps a different card. You can freeze your Monzo card as an extra layer of security. If your wallet gets pickpocketed or your bag goes missing, your Monzo card is already unusable. When you get back to your hotel, you can simply unfreeze it. This proactive approach to security is something truly unique to modern digital banking. Leaving your card in a vulnerable location, you're at the gym and you've put your wallet in an unlocked locker, or you're leaving your bag unattended for a short while. In situations where your card is momentarily vulnerable, a quick freeze provides peace of mind. As soon as you retrieve it, you can unfreeze it. Child with an additional card, Monzo joint account / Monzo for young people. If you have a Monzo joint account and one of you misplaces their card, or if your child with a Monzo for young people account misplaces theirs, the freeze feature is invaluable. It gives the primary account holder immediate control to prevent unauthorized spending by someone else. The common thread here is control and speed. The ability to instantly disable your card's spending capability from your phone, wherever you are, is a fundamental shift in how we manage financial security. No more waiting on hold with a bank's fraud department. You are the first line of defense. The art of the unfreeze, bringing your card back to life. Now, for the equally important counterpart, unfreezing your card. Just as instantly as you can freeze it, you can bring it back to full functionality. This is particularly useful if you've simply misplaced your card and then found it, or if you've frozen it as a temporary security measure. When you unfreeze your card, all spending capabilities are immediately restored. You can use it for purchases, withdrawals, and contactless payments as if nothing ever happened. It's important to note that unfreezing does not require any verification beyond your usual app login, fingerprint, Face ID, or PIN. This streamlined process is what makes the feature so practical and user-friendly. Step-by-step guide, freezing your Monzo card. Alright, let's get down to the practical steps. Freezing your Monzo card is incredibly straightforward, designed to be intuitive even in stressful situations. Open your Monzo app. The first step is always to open your Monzo app on your smartphone. Make sure you're logged in. If you're not, you'll need to enter your PIN, use your fingerprint, or Face ID to gain access. Navigate to your card. Once logged in, you'll see your main account balance and a representation of your Monzo card. Tap on the image of your Monzo card. This will take you to your card details screen. Find the freeze option. On the card details screen, you'll see several options related to your card. Look for a button or toggle that says freeze card or similar. It's usually prominently displayed. It might be under a Manage or Settings submenu, but Monzo generally makes it very accessible. Confirm the freeze. Once you tap Freeze Card, the app will typically ask you to confirm your action. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally freeze your card. Confirm your choice. Confirmation. You'll see a visual confirmation that your card has been frozen. The card image in the app might change color, display a frozen badge, or you might get an in-app notification confirming the action. That's it. Your card is now frozen and cannot be used for payments. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.